Hey, what's up guys? I am RileyChaseFox, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 6 different things you need to have when setting up a home studio. Let's get started. So, before we get started, there's something that you need to know. First, you need to set a budget. Set a dollar amount and tell yourself, I am not going to go over this amount of money. When you start purchasing all of the things, the money is gonna start adding up very quickly. So, get what you need right now, then as time goes on, you can start investing in bigger and better things that you'll want later. So, number 1, a computer. If you got one, sweet. 1 down, 4 to go. And if you don't, then I'm gonna start questioning why you don't have a computer in your household. Everyone has a computer, like a laptop or a desktop computer, so if you don't have one, then you're pretty weird. I'm just kidding, you're not weird. So, computer, number 1. So number 2, a microphone. Now, if you're on a budget, then a USB is where you're gonna wanna go. But if you want more of a professional sounding quality like the pros, then an XLR, a condenser microphone, is what you need. So, number 3, audio interfaces. If you got yourself an XLR microphone like I told you to get, then this is going to apply to you. But if you didn't and you got yourself a USB mic, then you're gonna wanna skip to number 4. If you got yourself an XLR microphone, you're gonna need to get yourself an XLR mic cable, which is going to be the bridge between your microphone to the interface, then the interface to the computer. It's kind of all like bridges, kind of like linking everything together. But the audio interfaces are necessary. You have to have them if you get yourself an XLR mic. Now, one of the greatest, hands down, the best audio interfaces that you could get yourself when you're barely starting out. I had it for a while. Some of my best friends who are in voice acting had it when they got started. It's a great recommendation. I highly, highly, highly suggest that you get this, is the SCARLET Solo. It's just a 1-channel microphone setup. It's great. It's highly functional. It's super easy to use. You don't even have to read the manual how to use it. It's very simple, very affordable. Number 4. So once you get your computer, your microphone, and then your audio interface, there's something else you're gonna need. So you have those things, but where are you gonna put your mic? Well, duh, you need a mic stand. So, mic stands, very cheap, super cheap. You go to Amazon, I'll put the link down below, and one that you can purchase for yourself. With mic stands, honestly, it really doesn't matter which one you get. However, if you do end up getting yourself a portable studio, then you are gonna wanna get a mic stand that's a little bit more sturdy, more durable, and a lot stronger to not only hold up your portable studio, but to hold up your mic as well. Once you get a mic stand, you're definitely gonna wanna get yourself a pop filter. Now, a pop filter is that kind of black or silver, whatever kind of screen that you see that are in front of the microphones. And what those do is they kind of block out your really big, the plosive sounds, like B's and P's and T's and S's. So it's gonna drown it out. It's gonna dilute those sounds so you don't have to really worry about them in post-production. Number 5, once you got your computer, once you got your microphone, once you got your audio interface, and you got your mic stand and your nice little setup, how are you going to record? Duh, you need recording software, which is number 5. If you got a PC, just get Audacity. It's free, you don't have to pay for it, it's easy to download, it's not gonna mess up your computer. If you have GarageBand on a Mac like me, don't even bother downloading Audacity. Go with GarageBand. I still use it to this day, and it's given me some of the best sounds that I've ever had and that I was exactly looking for. Just run with GarageBand. It's God level tier quality. It's everything you need. You're gonna love it. GarageBand, I love it! Number 6, somewhere to record. Now, if you're that someone that doesn't have a lot of options where you're gonna record, just record in your room. All you need is a corner, all you need is a closet. If you have a walk-in closet, great, perfect. You can use the clothes around you to kind of drown out the sound. So if you're in a space that doesn't have anything to really absorb the sound, what ends up happening is that your voice will bounce off the walls, which causes echo, which causes reverb, and a headache not only for you, but for the directors and definitely the audio engineers. So do yourself a favor. If you have a walk-in closet and you have clothes in there, great, that's perfect. That'll already absorb the sound to not bounce off the walls. But if you do want it to look more professional, you can definitely get yourself something called Acoustic Styrofoam. You can find that on Amazon. It comes in different colors, it comes in different shapes, it comes in different sizes. You can purchase that. If you don't, get yourself 8 cartons. 8 cartons are perfect. They will absorb the sound just as much. And also what you can do is if you got spare carpet, I don't know if you're weird like my family is, we have spare carpet for some odd reason. And what I did is I actually put that on my wall. I have Acoustic Styrofoam on my wall and I'm still adding to it. I've been using it for years and it's given me the perfect sound quality that I was looking for. But when I was recording and I just didn't like what I was hearing, what I was listening to, I did go ahead, I put on my portable studio on my mic stand and I got the sound that I was really trying to hear, and I knew once I heard it, I was like, that's it, that's what I'm looking for, that's what I like. So that is it. Those are the 6 things that you are going to need when you have yourself a home studio. If you like these tips and you want to see more like this and you love voice acting, then you're definitely going to want to subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to, but I'm going to cry myself to sleep tonight if you don't. I'm just kidding, I won't cry. I cry already. I'm just kidding, I don't do that either. So as always, I don't know why you watch my videos, but you do, and for that, I am very appreciative. I love you guys, and until next time, I will see you later. Goodbye. Have a good day. Stay safe. God bless.
Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back in